Hello. Now we will see about how to delete a student record from MongoDB using OpenFeign client. So for that in server-side program we already written this method response entity delete as part of initial CRUD operations. We already discussed on this. So same program we are going to use on this. So this method we are going to use for Feign client. So go here and inside the user client we need to define. Then here we need to define like a path is student delete id, and for retrieval we are using get mapping. For adding record we are using post mapping. For delete we have to use a delete mapping, so you can import it. So earlier it consisting of request details. Now we are going to send the id parameter. For that we need to take as a path variable. Earlier we used to take request body. For deleting we have to take as a @path variable. This one we need to make a note, otherwise some errors may occur. So we have to import this one, and we also note that this path will not be changed at a controller also. Earlier we can give our own path, but now we cannot change the path. So go here, then you can write and you can implement a return user client dot delete. So delete id, we are going to send as the id, and here this path, earlier we used to give our own path as per the feign. Now this path we need to give as per the server side, because we need to send the id value. That is the reason we are giving as it is. Then now delete program is ready at a client side. We can start the client server. Once started, we can go to Eureka server client. Then we can verify program is there or not. Now server is started. Go here and refresh. So path will be 8081. Then we are already having, and here we need to select the delete. Delete, and what is the path we need to take? Student delete, then some id we need to give. So that id we can get it from here. So for Charles 985 Canada, and here some id is this one. For this 786 jpt we are considering this one as the id. So you can send this id here. Then this is a delete, and you can verify whether db is having how many records, 6. So after deletion it should become as a 5 records, and you can hit it, because this is the path student delete and id. So if you are deleting, then object deleted successfully. So you can come to db mongodb and you can refresh. It will become 5 records. You can see 1 to 5 records. That means one record got successfully deleted. And you can also come and verify Feign client any logs we have written. I think we haven't written any logs. This is how delete will work. In next session we will see about update. With that OpenFeign client CRUD operations will complete. Till then, thank you.